We propose an induction principle that generalizes one of the variants of the real induction principle and holds in diamond-free DCPOs. The motivation is that the real induction rule has been recently used in logics intended for analysis of mathematical models of cyber-physical systems, and its generalization to partial orders may be useful for taking into account non-determinism in such models. The definition of the mentioned variant of real induction is given on the current slide. It can be generalized to Dedekind complete total orders, but our goal is to go beyond total orders and consider the case of partial orders. For partial order, there exist some well-known induction principles, which include the well-founded induction and the open induction. The current slide describes well-founded induction. And the current slide describes a similar principle for the opposite order. Open induction is described on the current slide. It can be considered as a generalized version of the only if part of the statement on the previous slide. Open induction is used in the proof of the main result, which is shown on the current slide. The proposed induction principle can be easily expressed as a first-order formula and can be seen as a generalization of real induction. One example of diamond-free posets is a set of partial trajectories of a non-deterministic system ordered by extension relation. The main result can be applied to this partial order. The current slide lists the conclusions.